haven't met that many happy people in my life. How do they act?
Ordinary life is pretty complex stuff.
You write the music, you let me worry about the business, and we're all gonna get rich and happy and famous.
I haven't met that many happy people.
Rich and happy and famous.
How do they act? I haven't met that many people.
Dalai Lamas. Another sister shooting hair on Tamaras. Amputees and in Freetown, Sierra Leone. The church wasn't honest. The state put the youth in a harness, creating hostility among us. The teacher said no college, still kid gotta get a check before